If you're planning to open a joint bank account in 2026, choosing the right bank matters more than most people realize. Because honestly, the best joint account should make managing shared money simple. Whether you're married, living together, managing family expenses, or sharing finances with a partner. So in this video, we're going to look at 5 of the best banks for joint accounts in 2026 based on fees, features, mobile banking, and overall user experience. Starting with number 5, Alliant Credit Union. Alliant is a popular choice for couples who want a credit union alternative. It offers low fees, competitive savings rates, and joint account options. Many people like it because it combines online banking convenience with credit union benefits. Now number 4, Capital One 360. Capital One 360 remains one of the strongest joint account options because it offers no monthly fees, large ATM access, strong mobile banking, and both checking and savings accounts. And honestly, many couples like having a bank that combines digital convenience with some physical locations and cafes. Now, number 3, SoFi Checking and Savings. SoFi continues to rank highly for joint accounts thanks to competitive interest rates, budgeting features, and a modern mobile app. Many financial reviewers consider it one of the strongest overall options for shared banking in 2026. Now, number 2. Bank Ally has become one of the most recommended online banks for couples because it offers no monthly maintenance fees, strong savings tools, and goal-based buckets that help organize shared savings goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a house, or an emergency fund, the system makes it easy to track money together. And according to many users discussing joint accounts online, Ally is often praised for its simple interface and ease of use. And number 1, Ally Bank and SoFi tie for best overall. Because honestly, these are the 2 names that appear most often in expert reviews and community discussions. If you want simplicity, budgeting tools, and a clean experience, Ally is hard to beat. If you want higher yields, more features, and an all-in-one financial platform, SoFi is extremely competitive, and for most couples, either one would be a strong choice. Now, let's talk about what actually matters when choosing a joint account, because the best bank depends on your needs. Look for low or no monthly fees, good mobile apps, easy transfers, ATM access, and strong customer support. And honestly, those factors usually matter more than tiny differences in interest rates. Now let's be honest for a second. There is no perfect bank for every couple. Some people want the highest APY. Others want branch access, and some just want a simple app that works. So to wrap this up, the 5 best banks for joint accounts in 2026 are Ally Bank, SoFi, Capital One, 360, Alliant Credit Union, and other specialized options depending on your needs. But for most people, Ally and SoFi remain the strongest overall choices for shared banking because they combine low fees, good technology, and strong joint account features.